In this question, we have to implement queue using array. So here given that 1 means pushing into the queue and 2 means popping element from the queue. So see here, suppose this is a queue. Queue means first in, first out. First element will enter into the queue will be the first one to be removed. So 1 means push. So push 2 into the queue. This is 2. Now 1 means push. Push 3 into the queue. 2 means pop. So from where we can pop element? From the first position. So this is 2. So 2 is output. Now 1 means push into the queue. So 4 will push into the queue. Now 2. 2 means pop. So this first element will be pop. Now see another example. This is queue. 1 means push. So push 3 into the queue. 2 means pop. So we have 3 in the queue. We have to pop this and this will be the output. Now 2 means pop. So how can we pop from an empty queue? So simply written -1. Now 1 means push. So we will push 4 into the queue. So now see the code. So to implement the push and pop function, first we have to implement the queue. We have to initialize the queue. So how can we initialize it? We can declare an array named queue. Now we have to push X into the queue. So append method is used to push the element in the list or in Python. Now pop means removing an element from the queue. So first we have to check the length of queue. If length of queue is 0, so written -1. Else written self.queue.pop. This pop is a method which is used to remove the element. So we are here passing 0 means pop from the beginning of the array.